Oh no! Where did all the money go?
You spent it on that jacket, Tara, remember?
Dad is going to be so disappointed in me.
Lying about it will only make it worse, Tara.
Welcome home, sweetie. How was your day?
Oh, fine, Dad. Just really tired.
Here, drink some water. You look a bit pale.
Thanks, Dad. I'll just go to my room now.
You can't hide in here forever, you know.
I just need time to figure out what to say.
The truth is always the easiest thing to say.
That money was for home repairs and emergency funds.
I know! I didn't mean to spend it all.
My friends were all buying nice clothes. I felt left out.
Fitting in shouldn't cost your honesty.
Keep this safe in the drawer for emergency home expenses, okay?
Of course, Dad. I'll protect it.
It's just one outfit. Dad won't notice right away.
You know that isn't true, Tara.
A mistake becomes a lie when you refuse to fix it.
What if he gets angry and never trusts me again? I'm so scared to face him.
Courage isn't the absence of fear, Tara. It's doing right anyway.
I'll just return it tomorrow and put the money back.
And what about today? Honesty starts right now.
Hey, Tara. Brought you a little snack.
You've been working so hard lately. I'm proud of you.
Dad, please don't say that.
Is everything okay? You seem worried today.
I'm just a little worried about my school projects. Really, I'm completely fine.
All right, just remember, I'm always here for you. Did you need anything from the desk drawer today?
No. Why do you ask? Look at those storm clouds outside. Looks like rain.
Ah, yes. Hopefully our old roof holds up. We really need that roof fixed before heavy rain comes.
Right, the roof.
Get some rest, okay? Good night.
Good night, Dad.
You hear that? The roof needs fixing.
I know. I feel butterflies in my stomach. I made a huge mistake, Diary.
Admitting it to yourself is step one. Now tell him. Your father works tirelessly for this family.
I know. He sacrifices so much for me.
If you lie now, the guilt will stay with you forever.
What should I do first? What if I work a part-time job and replace it silently?
Trust broken in secret cannot be healed in secret. Look at how hard he works every single evening.
He never complains, not even once. He was saving that money for months.
And he trusted you to keep it safe.
Is Dad still awake?
Go check on him.
Just a few more hours of overtime.
He's taking extra night shifts.
I can't wait until tomorrow. I have to fix this.
I am proud of you for choosing truth.
Tomorrow morning,
Let's return the outfit and pay the shopkeeper. It's always best to do the right thing.
I will, Timothy. No more excuses. Thank you, Diary. You helped me see the right way. That's what good friends do. We help each other grow.
I got the full refund from the store early this morning.
Now take it to your father. You're taking accountability. That's true maturity.
I just hope he can forgive me. Dad, do you have a moment to talk?
Good morning, Tara. Sure, what's on your mind? Is everything all right, sweetheart?
No, Dad. I need to tell you something important. This is the savings money from the drawer.
Why is it out of the drawer, Tara?
Did something happen?
I took it yesterday to buy expensive clothes. I lied to you because I was selfish. I returned everything today.
I'm hurt that you lied to me, but I'm proud you brought it back.
I saw you working late last night. I was so wrong.
Mistakes happen. What matters is having the courage to make things right.
I promise I will never break your trust again.
How about I teach you how to repair the roof tiles this weekend?
Deal! I'd love to help.
Honesty restores what guilt almost destroyed.
Thank you, my friend. I learned a real lesson today, Diary.
The greatest treasure in life isn't what you wear, but the truth you keep in your heart.
Thank you so much for watching our story today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time with another deep lesson. Bye-bye, everyone!